the Vanity Cask Box. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pritika and in today's video I'll be unboxing the Vanity Cask Box. So this is a new subscription box which I have opted for and I'm super excited to unbox it and see what are products I have for this month. Before starting with the unboxing, I want to request you all to please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. So let's get started with the unboxing and see what are products we have for this month.
Here is how I received my Vanity Cask Box. Yeah, it's quite done. It is like a template for me. Vanity Cask Box, yeah, whatever. So here is how I received the box. I got one free product with it because there's a plan. If you subscribe for 3 months or 6 months or 12 months subscription, then you will receive the THALGO kit free with it. The price of this product is for rupees 3,910. Can you believe it? This small kit is for rupees 3,910. This is a premium skincare brand. You can even search it on Nykaa.
Really thankful to Vanity Cask Box that they are giving such nice offers with their subscription boxes.
So now let's not waste any more time and see what the products we have for the Vanity Cask Box. Here is my Vanity Cask Box. I'm so excited to unbox this and see what all products I have. I have my knife with me. Let's just unbox this. Here is how the packaging looks like. It is all covered with bubble wrap. Let me just take out the box and show you how this box is. Let me just tell you that it's a premium box. This box is for rupees 1,000 per month, and if you opt for 3-month or 6-month or a year subscription, then you will obviously get a good discount in it. So here is my Vanity Cask Box. As you can see, it has this magnetic closure here so that you can reuse this box. This is really a good one. I must say, you guys should go and opt for this particular box. Let's just see what all products we have. As I open this box, I see this booklet over here.
And the theme of this month's box is Spring Fling Edition.
So here are the products. All the products I have received is in this mesh bag. Like, it's not exactly a mesh bag, it's like a satin 40 bag. Take out all the products on my one and see what we have.
So the first product which I have is from the brand Blissent. It's a handcrafted body luxuries daily cleanser. Second product which I have here is a massage hair oil. It's from the brand Sova. It's Brahmi. It has Brahmi and hibiscus in it. Going forward to the next product, I see some mask. No, yeah, they are masks only. It's a Monsub forehead mask. Here it is. It's a forehead mask. You just have to apply over here. The shape is already here. You just have to take it out and apply it. And all the directions and everything is given in the booklet, so you can even go through the booklet and use it accordingly. There's another mask which I have from the same brand Monsub, and it's a nose mask. The shape is there here. You just have to place it on your nose and use it. So here are the two masks. Now the other product which I have is from the brand My Glam, and it's a makeup product. I love receiving makeup products and subscription boxes. And it's a nail paint, I guess. Yeah. It's a long-lasting nail enamel duo. It looks so luxurious in itself. Like, here is how the nail paint looks like. I really loved it. This is my star product from all the other products I have received for this month. And now I have the last product with me, which is from the brand Votre. It's a 3-in-1 cleanser. The best part of this particular product is that you can use it as a makeup remover, as a cleanser, and as a toner as well. So that was all for today's unboxing video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If yes, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Share this video with your friends and loved ones because your love and support means the world to me. If you guys want to follow me on social platform, I will link the ID below so that you can go and follow me there. So that was all for today. See you on my next video. Bye bye.